Hi everyone, welcome back. I am going to do a thin paint straight pour tonight. So these paints are just paint and water, and I'm going to do it in primary colors. I haven't done that yet. I have a couple more color schemes in mind, but I had some of these already mixed up and I was like, let me just try this. Now, a lot of times if you mix all primary colors together, you're going to get a dark brown or a black color, believe it or not. I don't know what these are going to mix to. That's why I wanted to try it out. I painted the canvas with blue sides, but I don't think this is going to be blue, but I wanted to paint it with an opaque color, so I chose a lighter blue because these paints are transparent or semi-transparent. I also don't know how they're going to mix together because they're transparent and semi-transparent. I am going to try to use a pretty good amount of white in this one, and I'm hoping that I don't get any colors that I don't care for. But it's possible. We're going to see together. Let's paint. All right, so as usual, I'm going to pour a pretty good amount of white in the bottom of this one. Then I'm going to pour the yellow. I normally do it. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it how I normally do it and just see. That's how you're supposed to experiment. See how it's going to work. I just have a crazy feeling that this may not come out that well. I don't know. We'll see when these colors mix in. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of green. Not too much purple, believe it or not. I am going to add a little more white. Swirl that on through there. Okay, I'm getting a lot of green now. Ooh, I don't know. Now back in with my yellow. Okay, I'm starting to see a couple colors I maybe don't care for as much. Ooh, there we go. I got a really dark color in there. Okay, let's see how the blue goes on top. And maybe I have some magenta on the side here. I don't know. Is this going to be one of those? Let me get my stands out of the way. Is this going to be one of those that I'm like, ugh, maybe I shouldn't have done that? I don't know. Okay. All right, here we go. Never know until we find out, right? Okay, there's lots of blue. Okay. My white is always gone. That is really pretty. I was not expecting those colors to be that beautiful. Wow, okay. Now, do I feel like I have enough? Do I pour maybe just a little bit more magenta? I should probably pour the blue because I have more of it. Let me do that. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm just going to pour just a tiny bit of blue around this just to help it glide. Because I think that I had enough paint, but okay. I definitely had enough paint, but oh well. Better safe than sorry on these, because then your design will stretch all out. I feel like maybe the addition of the extra white in there really kept the colors bright and separated them a little bit. But I was expecting a little bit more of a muddy mess. I really like the green that I ended up with in there. I also thought I would have more purple, and I don't. So, interesting. This is why I love experimenting. Okay, here we go. Okay, I normally find a side that I don't like that much and tilt that side off, but I really like, oh, there's the purple. I really like most of these sides. That's probably the side I like the least. Oh, look at these colors as they stretch out. And then look at the river. Okay. Okay. It's definitely darker in some places, but I like all the colors. You know what I didn't do? I didn't run my finger through it before I stretched it out to make sure that I had a design that I would like when I stretched it out. I might see if I can run my finger through some areas here. Maybe not. I don't want to do too much to this. Yeah, I don't want to change this too much. I'm not always a fan of like really jagged lines, but yeah, maybe I leave it. I like these little cells that popped up. This corner over here is stunning. And there's my purple. I love the blue, the river of blue that's running through it. I do maybe want to just drag that on in there. I'm very surprised. This one surprised me. It's gonna dry dark, but all right, I'll show you. So I must say, I don't see a color on here that I don't like. Look at the beautiful peach color that mixed from the orange and the yellow, or the magenta and the yellow and the white. That blue spot kept growing, so I tried to do something with that. That peach color, and it's got just the right pops of it. Now here's my purple side over here where they mixed purple. Look at that. Oh, it is so cool. And this is the only color that like blended, but it's actually really cool because you can see the rainbow in it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited with this. All right. Let's see how it dries. I must say I am very surprised with how this one came out, and I really like the colors. The peach color that was made from the orange and the yellow and a little bit of the magenta, so pretty. Even these like purplish colors are just really pretty. There's a little bit of green that came through. And this was just using primary colors. So magenta instead of red, and then like a middle yellow and phthalo blue. But I really, really love how the colors blended together. I did not think it would turn out this well. I love this one river of like bright colors that are there, and the rest is blended. The one thing I'll say is my composition is not the way that I normally have it, but I do think the colors are balanced on each side. So this was a fun experiment to do. All right, thank you everyone for watching. Happy painting. Bye.